Do you feel confident in what you're wearing and most importantly, powerful? I've had many women ask me the question on how can they make their workwear look more stylish? Many women don't feel confident in what they wear when they head to work. And your image is so important, more important than you think. It is what brings you confidence. The first impression towards your boss. It's the first impression to your clients that you're meeting. It is the first impressions for your friends and family. And it's for yourself. So if you want to feel that confidence and that power, you must feel good in what you are wearing. Look fabulous, feel fabulous, and then comes the confidence. So in this episode of the Ultimate 10, I am focusing on how you can trend your workwear, making sure it's done with style and personality. I'm really excited to show you the outfits that I've pulled together for you. Let me know what your favorite outfit is by commenting on the video, and I can't wait to hear your thoughts. If this is everything you want to embrace, learn how to style yourself for different occasions, also feel the need to be more inspired for your daily outfits, then welcome to my channel. I am Coco Louise, and I talk about everything from fashion to travel, making sure it is done with style and most importantly, class. And how do you make your workwear look more stylish? Well, my darlings, it's as simple as adding a touch of interest. A pop of color, bringing in beautiful texture, maybe a statement accessory, and even the details through the outfit. For example, a shirt that has an interesting color, the cut of the outfit, or even just the style and how you wear it, how you layer it, how you tuck in your shirt. You must allow yourself to love who you are. You must love your body shape. You must embrace your body shape. Express your personality every day through what you wear. And make sure that you do it with class. I'm extremely passionate about what I do. If I am not creating content for you on my social media and YouTube, then I am actually personally shopping and styling other people behind the scenes. Because I'm very passionate about what I do, I'm also really passionate about how I could inspire you. So if you are inspired by my videos and tips, then please do share it with me or ask me questions. It really makes my day to know that I've actually brought confidence and power and style to your everyday life. So make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking on the button below, and also click on the bell so you can be notified for any of my latest videos so you don't miss out. Thanks for the love.